guy out in under you will be a rising kahuna, you become a kahuna. We have two guys who run rising kahuna and you do rising kahuna yourself. It doesn't. The system is so fast. Before you think about making $5,000, you think about years and years. Now is how soon you can get people who are going to be at, and how soon you get those people to become rising leaders. And then you have one guy under you who rising leader, which means he can teach by 3 key actions. The other two is you and maybe one more person. You become kahuna. And most likely say if you have one rising kahuna, you most likely will become kahuna. So you have two guys under you with a rising kahuna, and you are the working person, you will become kahuna. What does it mean? What it means is that my design by default in my heart, you see that the people who do rising kahuna based on the number, they're showing over and over, because I'm moving toward a quarter million. And if you do kahuna, you're going to move yourself toward $500,000. I wish we have this thing handy. I wish we had this 20 years ago. Today we want to make it. Now I look at the past, the future is here. The future is in the next 12 months for all of you. No, the future is not next 12. You see, story after story, successful people begin to run a system in 6 months, they make 50,000. How do you make 50,000? 100,000. You know, by down after 2 years, only 500K. Peace, kahuna. Bentley, 100,000. Kahuna, anybody who gets kahuna will fly around. 500,000. It's that powerful. So those of you in the next 3 months hit rising kahuna, of course, in above, negotiate November, is one of the most important meetings that you want to be there. You know? So the first day, the rising kahuna and above is invited to my house. And anything from now on, you don't want this one, you don't want this one, you don't want this Poland, you don't want this China, you don't want this. The April, in April, again, I have a taxi guy in Kahuna to someplace nice. And the Corona last year, in April, the people were Paris, this time we are going to very nice food. We invest in you, we're looking for people, we're gonna reward you, we're gonna stretch you, we're gonna help you become somebody that you one day look back, you make a relationship that you pull your heart something and you walk by and you know what you got. And also, when you hear, we're gonna go to the 2-3 days, and I know it's already big, so we want to prepare for a very group of people, because we cannot handle it. So, every 3 days we have a big group come in, because it's so big. And I know after this, it's going to get smaller. The last time we had a big group, so you remember probably I came out of my house, because every 3 days we have a big group come in. Last time we had 3 group or 4 group about this time, I don't know, we'll see. Later in the number of much, we do 5, 6 groups, and this is 3 days. I wish I would get tricked out. And how do I probably want to move out of my house? But you guys come to my house, you wreck my house, it's fine. In the next few months, tell us if you, next few months, you're going to do one more jet. This is ready. Let's say you're going to get 4 right now, and you do one more, you're going to get 6. But set aside. I see what just during this period, in the next few months, we'll get brand new. One more jet, or 2 more jets. You're going to get 1, 2, or 3 in the next few months. Or maybe more. Okay? You might be appreciated. Let us know. And then by November, by October 31st, before you get to Oak Street, will you become a rising Kahuna? Will you hit Kahuna? Will you hit the Kahuna? And last is that, would you be able to complete the security of this house? Okay? Not the lifetime. Last week, Bill was the president of America, tell us that we have to go to 20,000 security life. Right? Of course, it's pretty much in line with what we do. So you can see the direction of the industry, especially from America and people like that. We have the right direction. We're going to go 10,000. We have 15,000 people who here. And you decide to go out here today, we're going to have 15,000. Anytime we're going to have many on the list, whether we're going to look from now to the end of the year to get 10,000. So that's enough. So, when we go here for November, we're actually here to prepare for the launch. year, 2027, is the year of the corona. Whether you're rising corona, you become a corona, or you become a dead corona, or you become a corona. But it's only the year of the corona. It will be in Raleigh, in San Antonio, Pasadena, and in Calgary. Okay. One of the future provided by the concept and type of thing. You might not know how many people you bring to the weekend. Listen again. How many people you bring up to January 30, 31st, or in Canada in the same country? You decide today. I understand about the power of people. I also understand that I'm not going to train people. I'm not going to build people. Before I can do anything to that person, they have to deal with themselves. Like building a house. They have to have a vision of what you cannot say, I want to have a big house. No, I want to know, is that what size? The traditional size, colonial size, modern size, Japanese looking size, or French, or whatever. You have an idea how is that? You know, how you guys will go from. You use your mind first. And then when you might clear, because you ask somebody to build a house, and they have no idea you want to have that blueprint. So the minute they have a clear vision about what you do, then you put the blueprint. Like the event like this is exactly you have to have a clear vision of what you do in the future. And that vision is going to repeat again when you see yourself and your team in March 2027. Because I cannot shift your vision. I cannot decide your vision. You decide it. So now at the end you decide how many people you're going to have. I want to use the process as well. I challenge the new generation people to be part, and I will recognize it. I'm not sure what it's going to be. If I was to have a jacket for you, I'm going to give you a black jacket. But I'm looking for the new generation of big players. I want to look for people that are going to have 100 people in your head shop in those teams. So I call that practical award. For those of you who have thousands, it's about a whole team, just a team. And I call that the benchmark. You are not a little player in my mind. Unless we have 100 in the lane, and you're not for real until the day you get 1,000 people under you to go back. Now, I know that the study is big, but it's not making me my money. I know that kind of big, but it's not making my money. Now, you are too small. I know you have millions, you have 1.5 million, whatever, it's too small. You know, again, all have to have a small number. We're in the beauty business, we're in the contact business, we need people. We're not like kids, 30 million people get paid by a handful of people. And handful of people would do little bit. People do this because they see themselves. So when I started business with this company and moving on, start 1992, after the last struggle, by 1993, January 1993, in Pasadena, I would have 100 people. By the end of the year, I was able to mobilize 500 people in the Lord's convention, for the New Year convention in 1992. Because I know that I need a large number of people. And those years, everybody was get to do this, they had to have all three licenses. Life, health, service, certificate. And I need 500 people, and they will work hard to get 500. And the next year, they get 2,000. And then a year after that, they get to 8,000 in the Luna. And in 1997, I had 10,000 in the bed expansion. So I moved from 100 people to 10,000 in 4 years. This doesn't happen by accident. I work tirelessly every single day to find people to train leaders. I don't want to train people with more money. I cannot work with people who don't see themselves as success. I cannot want more than they want. They have to want it, they have to see themselves to get it, and I am providing a vehicle. But they are the driver, they gotta know where they want to go. The people don't know where they want to go and ask me to give you a vehicle. Why do we need to give you a fast vehicle? And they just park there and we drive around. It's a wasting of everybody's time. So I'm focused on people doing that. I just people who do that. If it is something that you still understand, then you're hopeless. You walk to this convention and you walk out here, and your vision is not fresh. You don't have a big plan. You walk in today, a different man, a different woman, and 2 days ago. Then I cannot work with you. Because you have to be here, you have to see yourself with a new vision of you. And no one can do this. So therefore, we have to have 6 months to do the same thing for other people. So next time we go to these locations from Raleigh to Pasadena or Calgary and all those places, you make sure you bring brand new people so they see themselves where they want to go. Because you do not want, no one, you are training somebody who don't see themselves successful is a very difficult job. And I become what I am today because I think I know how many people show up in the convention. I look at it's hard to explain anything. How can you explain a vision? I know it's a tough job, but we have to work on this. I recognize, I want you to know, you're going to try hard to pass these breakthroughs. We're going to have a breakthrough of 100 in a day. I know it's a whole lot, but some of you, when they start thinking about, I'm going to do 25 people, I'm going to 550 people. I don't care how big I am or whatever I said that part. If you really want to become a major player, if you want to become a 7-figure earner, start with 100 people a day. If you want to be a big player, think now about 1,000 people in your team to go to the next event. So this is probably one of the most important awards that you're going to have. See, the business to me is very good, but I'm sure that you are very good. So, if I ask you a simple question, do you know what's going to happen if you are in the field every day and attend the meeting, all meeting convention? Don't miss any meeting convention. If you are, or you have a team member come here and they go out in the field every day and attend all the day, do you know what position going to be? What that person going to be? If you know that if I do this thing, I go out every day, and I attend on meeting, what is for me? Do you know when it's going to happen? I don't think you know, because if you know, you will do it. Majority of people come this way, fail the number one test. They go out and do sometimes. Sometimes they hard, they go out and do. This convention that a lot of people go out and do every day. For 3 days. And then 4 days, you have some, Uncle George on the town. Maybe, we have a special family gathering. Blah, blah, blah. Do you know if you want to do today? And I think on maybe, you don't want to be? You can guess. People come to me and keep asking, can we be this? I find it's one thing. One thing. Can you give that tips? Anybody? This is the thing? No, not this one. Easier. Do you know what happened when you are doing today? What happened? happen in 1 month or 2 months. You want to become a best student? I'll give you a day. After a month, complete up, and you don't die yet, and you realize that, well, that's all they do. Every single day they say the same thing. It doesn't hurt you anymore. Oh, wait, come back to your money, come back to see me. Is that this scheme? Is that religion? Is that? But then you begin to want to prove it. You do about 2, 3 months, you begin to people to have to measure themselves. You do it in a year, when you walk to somebody, you call it limit. You know when to talk, you learn how to know when to wait, you learn how to follow up. In a year, you become one of the best people you are. You know what? You're not going to do it. You do about 2, 3 days, and they say no to you, and you hurt, and you cry, and you go 3 days, you rest, and then. You go on the field every day, especially you have no fun. You go on the field where you have fun, you never make it. Because sometimes you have no fun, you say, oh, you never love that lumber, your skill. Look at me. I love this thing that ran through my life. address tonight or come back to this house. Ask my wife. Son, I go somewhere and drive home and go out in a new car. I don't care. I don't care the car, I don't care the house, I don't care the building. I don't know who moved it, who bought it, who paid for it. I said, no, I'm out on the field every day. Maybe you just buy a car, take you a week. Buy a house, take you several months. The minute you have a wedding, takes you a year. Where are you? Trying to prepare for a wedding. What kind of business are you thinking? I do all this thing and still build international, build 50 states, build all Canada. You think I have time for those little things? Why? Where it come from? Where it come from? Because you think it's too small, you do things too slow, and you drag up everything. Where it come from? And you come in and you expect us to deliver you. We are not magicians. We're not the wizard. We play everything we want, everything we know realistically. The reason we work hard, you know what? Because we know what is. We know exactly what's going to happen. The reason I go out and feel every single night, because I know every single night I'm going to build somebody in a month. If I text you out every month, I text somebody, and I train you, I know exactly what's going to happen. I'm going to have a good plan. If I fly someone, I build on this one, I say that to today, I know right away this person is worth building on. Do they have the discipline of focus like me? Otherwise, goodbye. I can find another place. Because I don't have time to waste with the people who is so unpredictable. If you work with me and you get failed in the past, I can look you out and tell whether you for real or not. I do have tolerance for people who have child ridiculous. But I have no fear in that because my report in 1982, not a single one can I take it down unless they have two lives. We have people English so bad and they don't pass it. And here I ask you, do you know what happened? If you go out real every day, and I can't go in, if you do it in a year, you know what's going to happen to you? You know that? People like that, you cannot be denied. If you do it every day like that, you're going to do GX well, or somewhere in that, you're going to make $100,000, you'll be strong. On your hand, your leg, your head. You do it every day, nobody can stop you anymore. And the GX is a piece of cake, have an accident, piece of cake, and everything, piece of cake. Look what I do, you can't do. 10% what I do. I mean, right now, I'm engaged with $750 million a year. Can you do $75 million a year? No. Can you do 1% what I do? Can you do 1%? Can you do $7 million, $7.5 million a year, which is about $600,000 a month? see, if you have 4% interest in every year as the result, but you have 1% growth every month in a different year. How about you make 4% growth every week? How about you make 4% growth? You know told me a story about you double something every day and how much you have. This is powerful. If you go every day, you cannot be stopped. You don't worry about the naysayer, the preacher, the complainer. You don't have time for this. Because you're in a running mode. You have no negative, you have no problem. You're looking for winner only, people who run with you, people who have the same thing like you, people who have a work ethic. How in the world are we going to come here and listen to all the whiner, the preacher, and the complainer, and the thinker, and the doctor? This is tough. Wake up. Any business. And this is tough. Try to go out and do business. You think this company is tough? Go find another company. Go tell those companies, say, you want? Go tell the Maryland, the Joshua, the New York, the one, say, you know what? Here, $125. Tax me. Make sure you train me. Make sure you open your operation in the whole U.S. and Canada for me. With my condition. Don't expect me to show up. I'll show up and don't expect it to get nice. I'll do whatever I want. Tell them, go tell them, and tell them that you're going to make $100,000 and save our time. You don't understand what you get. You don't realize what you get. What if? What if you have 5 people? No. You have anybody else? Just five people who meet every month. You might not want to get that. People in America. You're willing to apply $5,000. What if you have 10 people like you? What do you come? And 5 people like that, he's not that hard. They show it over the whole thing. The reason that you do not want to answer, or maybe you don't know. You got to know, you got to do it. Because the reason you do it, and you put yourself in talent, you also create talent with the friend. The friend that takes supernatural you always never know it. When you also can happen for real, then you can happen too. Yes, so funny to see people, when I ask them, do you know if you study a license in 30 days seriously, you really sit down and study just while you go to college? You know what I mean? And how many of you come here and say, oh, I failed? Especially college graduates in America. You're not unwilling, broken English and English for you. How can you say? I don't know how I cannot fail. When I study, I know exactly where to pass now. I become predictable. So my question to you, I'm predictable. person that I will feel. You're the kind of person in the weekend, I don't really care. I know you're a leader because you come to me. If you're the kind of person I know, no matter what, I can say, at the end of the PM, you're going to text me or I'm going to call you because tonight I know you're not feeling. You tell me the day that you broke or not. It's okay with me. You tell me, baby, that's not important to you. I tell my bishop, I don't care. Let me know by 11 p.m. Text me or call me. Say to me, what did you do today? Just do that, and I will help you. Just, I'm not people. I need it. So, all of you here, if all of you become difficult, you study actually today, you don't have 10 hours a night. I need you to get, right now, I need, but I can't do much. But I want to tell you what my heart is. We have an obligation to become a great congregation. We are not there, but we don't have a great one. We want to go to the country. We want to provide holistic solutions, and we need people who need not just one license, we need people who realize you can talk many aspects, you can help people, you have to have, you can be able to talk comfortably about security and investment. And also, like Dr. Jones said, or like myself, like Trump America president, that's where the industry goes, that's where the future is. The investment market is so big, and it's not good, right for us not to focus on this one. And I know we can get that out of life success. I mean, we care for our cause, we care about the things we do, because we care about the family that we serve. They deserve you to have a confidence of a strong person who can provide all aspects of financial, rather than otherwise we possibly will limit ourselves on 50% and the other 50% is not us. I don't think that's an unreasonable request to you. Would you want, would you help us to overcome this hurdle? How many of you help us to get this started? In the next 3 months, I will do something that I will do not change that up. And help people get this started.
Go on, Billy. Support news interpretation.
Thank you, guys. One minute. You want a tip? This is a tip. You want a secret? This is a secret. It won't be easy. Our fear today is not the problem of good looks. Because somebody pays you $100,000 to go out to work every day, 4 hours a day, from let's say 6 to 10, you have to take time. And you leave on time, you leave early, you go 6 o'clock, and you go home 10 p.m. every single day. is not an issue of whether you can do or not, but it's a mental issue of people like us. The biggest challenge in our business is here. It's not an outline, it's not a product, it's not a system. It's about you right here. Maybe you cannot overcome this. It's pretty tough for us to be able to help you. Because we would want you to believe in yourself that you are unpredictable. You know if I do something repeatedly, I'll be good for what I do. To me, that's never happen. And you know what? My future, my family, my children, my parents, my wife, can all their problems be solved by only who are with them. That's what I say to myself. I look at my family, I look at my children, I look at my wife, I look at my mom, I look at people in my life and say, what is the simplest thing for me to be able to change all of this? Our family is suffering. And I have once went 41 years ago. I would never go home for another job. And I was right 100% right. I was right. I identified exactly what I need to do to become the best player. I'm a very competitive person, and I believe I can beat anybody by pure consistency. Consistency is the most powerful thing that a human can have. And you cannot, I can beat anyone by becoming more resilient or consistent. Remind me that thousands of people always have a victory. Hell no. Show me that you are more consistent, more disciplined than me. Then, if you can beat me on discipline, then you can beat me.
Nhưng mà
Otherwise,
nếu mà như ông Sơn nói vậy, kiếm được cái người mà người ta không kiếm được rồi chứ phải không, có nghĩa là người ta tự học, người ta tự này kia, nhưng mà cái như khó, đâu phải dễ mà có một người tự nhiên để ra người ta nghe mình nói, người ta đi BBM chứ người ta cắm đầu người ta học cũng khó. Giống như chị Hoa bây giờ một ngày một đêm trong tháng này nó giúp khách phải lấy một license, còn nó có quá nhiều khách sẵn. Còn Khôi thì giờ này nó có license bên kia rồi, giờ nó chưa có xong ra rồi. Thằng Đức thì lười.
Because out there, know exactly the only thing that is out there and inactive. I don't have the time to think about negative people. I sit out there looking for winning. And I'm going to stop. You think I go all the state, every state, I live and walk to that state, the whole world line up and say, we're waiting for years now. I get my own lovely many times. When I stay in Texas, I go for years trying to get my competition. In fact, about 5 years by writing on Texas. So the meantime, people will understand. In fact, 10 years before I recruit my brother-in-law,